If my location setup requires no warehouse documents, it's possible to ship directly on a sales order document if you have the very simple Business Central setup. Let's see how it looks. Before we go into that, I would like to show you the sales order we're going to work on. So let me try to open a sales order that I've prepared. The last one here. And I've added 3 items to the sales orders, 3 different bikes, different quantities. And as you can see, by default, when you enter a simple sales order like that, the quantity to ship will be pre-filled with the quantity. And now the issue is when we're receiving it from the flow functionality, it should start by resetting the quantity to ship. So let's open the mobile flow or the scanner functionality that the user will use. I will ship from a sales order, selecting or scanning the sales order number that I'm shipping in here, like that, adding a posting date. It will be default today, stating a shipping agent code if I have that, updating the header on the sales order, and now it asks me, would you like to blank quantity to ship on the sales order? And I would, because now I would like to, and you can actually see in the background it blank the quantity to ship. Now you could select the first item or pick it. You don't have any bins because it's a very simple location setup. It could have been done with only a check mark in a bin code, then you would have been prompted for a bin in the flow as well. But now we just say item number, quantity, let's take one of the 2 maybe, like this, and we will select the next item number or scan the next item number in here and select 5 of those 6. And now we want to go to lunch, so I will stop the flow. Maybe, do we want to post it? No, because I'm not done, I'm going to lunch. And you can see in the background it actually filled in quantity to invoice as basically a copy here of quantity to ship, like this. So now we have filled in some of it. And if I open or continue my flow after lunch, I will go back into my sales order, and of course the idea now would be that I shouldn't blank the quantity to receive because I want to continue receiving on this sales order. So I'm just selecting the sales order, etc., etc. I'm not blanking quantity to ship this time, and I will continue picking whatever items I like or I want to ship on this sales order in different quantities. And when I'm done, I press no for continue, and it asks me, would you like to post? I say yes. And with this scenario, we now post the sales order and can continue on the next sales order to pick on the next sales order. And if you look at the sales order, you can see quantity shipped is what we have picked and quantity to ship is reset.